Guangzhou Bozo Tent Co. Limited was originally founded in 2020, with more than 10 years of experience. In the tent industry, Bozo Tent has developed into one of the leading tent manufacturers, supplying top-level products and services worldwide. Our factory is located in Canton, China. It covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters, equipped with various state-of-the-art CNC machines. The aluminum profiles and PVC fabrics are processed with high precision and efficiency. We offer a wide range of temporary and semi-permanent structures and tents for indoor and outdoor events, including a-shaped tents, TFS tents, curved tents, polygon tents, pagoda tents, dome tents, luxury hotel tents, and tensile canopy structures. Our structure tents provide cost-effectiveness, fast setup, and ample space for all kinds of events like exhibitions, conferences, trade fairs, conventions, sports, music festivals, parties, and weddings. Our hotel tents are stylish, comfortable, and eye-catching, making them perfect for glamping sites and resorts. We have earned a reputation as a reliable supplier through continuous dedication to improving our design, craftsmanship, and services, integrating engineering, production, and installation departments under one roof, with the capacity to manufacture structure tents from 3 meters to 60 meters, wide in various designs and shapes. Bozo Tent is keen to meet our customer special needs. By choosing Bozo Tent, you're choosing a reliable partner that understands your needs and delivers the top-notch products you require.